Short motivational script. A mother's milk is powerful. It protects, nourishes, and strengthens a baby from the very first day. Breastfeeding is a natural gift that helps babies grow smarter, healthier, and stronger. Every breastfeeding moment is an investment in a child's future. 6. First-time mother script. For new mothers, breastfeeding may feel challenging at first, but patience and support make a big difference. With time, both mother and baby learn together. Breastfeeding becomes easier and more enjoyable, bringing confidence and pride to the mother and comfort to the baby. Breastfeeding at night script. Nighttime breastfeeding helps babies feel calm and secure. Breast milk at night contains special hormones that help babies sleep better. These quiet moments strengthen the bond between mother and child and help babies feel safe even in the darkness. 8. Cultural appreciation script.